Okay, it's Andrew here. This is a trade setup on the pound Canadian dollar. You can see that it's a fairly big downtrend. I had my green rectangle there. I had to do it fairly quickly. I usually record the setups as they're happening. You can see it's a big downtrend. It's come up. It's respected the 200, which is the downtrend sort of line. It's come, ground its way down there, retraced up, and it stopped at the 50 moving average and the 61 Fibonacci, and it's actually donked its head directly on a downward moving Bollinger Band, so everything's saying it's going to stop. So I jumped in. I got in just below the top by about a pip or something. Let me dig it out for you. You can see there it came up and it just sat down below and it just hovered there for a minute, so I jumped in and it popped out the money for about 33 seconds and then just started running down like that. So if that grinds away down there for the rest of the trade, I'll be a very happy boy. So yeah, we'll just sit here and watch it. The stochastic's down the bottom there, so it might just grind its way up and have a little look, but we'll see how we go. It's just sitting there at the moment. Okay, it did have a little look up. It's popped up, but we're sitting right on the 38 retracement there. So, I would expect it would sort of just have a bit of resistance and grind its way down from here. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute chart. You can see that's where I got in. That's where I have my little rectangle up there. Where is it? There it is. Okay, and that little, you can see it came down, sat for 5 or 6 minutes, then had a dart up. Now it's sitting right under the 200 moving average on the 1 minute chart, so I would expect it to find resistance there because it's a downward trend, and you can see here the stochastic's right up the top, and that's just going to turn over and it'll push the price down. So that's what I expect to see. And look, there it goes. It just popped a little bit now. And hopefully that follows through down here somewhere and breaks through the Bollinger Band on the 50 and grinds down here somewhere. But we'll see how we go. And there's the squiggly line on the CT options. And you can see it starting to move down. Sort of head that down there, and whoop, it just popped again. There we go. Better price in the money. So even if it sort of hovers along for the next 15 minutes, well, it came down and then now it's just dancing around the 50. And look, I'm quite happy for it to do that for the next 10 minutes. Obviously, it would be better if it did grind down, but as long as we're below the price we entered at in 9 minutes and 51 seconds, all's good. Let me move that over so you can see where we got in. Where we get in, just up here. So, as long as the price stays below that, I'm a happy boy. Okay. So, move along there, or even better, it can sort of just grind down there. Whoop. There's about 5 seconds left, and then the price has come up, having a look at where we are, but we're still a pip and a half in the money. And boom, there we go. We've got the win. There we go. So it didn't run away like we'd hoped, but we got the win just the same. We're in and out of the market, and got some money in our pocket. So if you're new to trading or an experienced trader, I'm part of a group called the Lion's Den Trading Room. So click the link in the description to find out some more information.